guys, welcome back to our channel. Nat's here, and I'm here with a room makeover video. So this room that I'm sitting in, around the couch that I'm in, this is a playroom slash dump room slash like a storage room. Originally supposed to be a bedroom for the kids, but it turned out to be a playroom for them as well. So this is like a everything goes room. So we have some guests coming in a few weeks, and I need to do a makeover for this room. First we need to clean it up. So yep, I'm about to clean up. I know them are tried to do a clean up like a few, or last week or the week before, I don't even know when. Never work out. So I am here today and I'm going to clean up the room. Yeah, making over this room. Hopefully Demar can help me help me out to clean the room. Currently he's with a client. He's on the phone, discussing how to come to Canada, the whole works. Hopefully he can help me, as I said. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys on the road with me as well as I shop right now, because I don't think I'm gonna physically buy it right now. I'm just gonna check out stuff that I need, or the cost for certain things that I want to put in the room. It's not going to be a fancy setup, it's just gonna be a setup, nice and comfortable for our guests. So I'll be like supposed to go to Walmart, even Costco, to see some little fixtures or anything that I could put in the room to perk it up. But yes, all this will be out and it will be looking nice. So guys, just stick around.
So I don't know if you guys remember, a couple weeks ago we started cleaning up this room, and also we went and we looked on a bedroom set. It's finally been delivered. Nats, this is not your bed. This is not your bed, Nats. Okay. So if you guys don't know, my brother and his family will be coming and staying with us for a little while. So we're actually in the process now of just fixing up and getting everything organized and ready. Right now, I really like this bedroom set. It comes with a dresser, 2 night table, a chest, headboard, and a queen size mattress, and it's not that expensive, so we decided to take it. It was a tough decision, a little bit of back and forth trying to figure out what to get. But what do you guys think? Did we make a good decision? Nat seems to like it.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Malika, this is no longer your playroom, mama.
Yeah, this is no longer a playroom. Done? You know business? Alright. Yeah, guys. Nice view of outside. I like this room. This was once the utility room that we dumped everything in, guys. And look at it. Transformation. Now it's gonna be a challenge keeping Malika and her sister out of this room, but yeah, we're about to go on the road right now. We're gonna go to Giant Tiger, maybe see if we can find some sheets and towels and just some additional stuff to spruce up the place. So come along, guys, let's go to Giant Tiger. Just in case you guys can't tell us yet, we're back in Grand Prairie. We're back in Grand Prairie. It's a beautiful day today. Malia is at their home. We're gonna go and pick up Malia, and then we're gonna go on the road and get some stuff for the room and also just for the house in general. So it's almost like a little shopping vlog kind of thing. So come along, guys.
Please wait for assistance.
Five piece, like bathing rug.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad.
Like baby rug.
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, I can pick it up.
it's cute. It's different. The package is different.
I really just the packaging. The price is not that bad either.
$1. What?
Yeah. $1 for one. Bathing rug. Oh, you want short curtain as well?
Hi, Malika. We left you around there. No, no, plastic.
Yeah, because what happened to plastic one? Stick to your body. Why are you standing in the cart, young lady? Sit down in the cart. Non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. What, let me see. It look alright to me. Kinda look small, but it's okay. Good job, Malia. Careful, man, I insist with it. $2 for the towel?
Down there? $4. $4 for these. $4 for that. Yeah. Different eye.
What about these? What the size of them now over here?
The mess small. Look up. Face.
That's a face rag.
Face on
Mommy.
Oh, this one is for $6.
Oh, one's for $6, the big same, eh? That look like beach stuff.
It does look like beach towel, but it does look like that.
Yeah, so, yeah, take a, and it's up to you, babes.
Mommy.
No, you know the second way.
Yeah. So let's prove it once and for all. All the persons who say she don't give trouble.
Look at this is the
Yes, baby.
Finally catch a bad behavior on camera.
Yes, baby.
Alright, babes, I see some sheet right here, so. These are just regular sheet set, guys. Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy. Ultra soft.
Three-piece set?
Set. $15. Or something there. Malia, Jay. Yes,
Yeah.
baby. High five. High five. Yes. Yes, baby. You want to hold on the glasses? You want to put on the glasses? Whoa.
How's your going out there? Anyways, guys. So that's just giving me the opportunity to choose the sheet. The pressure. Now, I can guarantee you guys that whichever one I choose, she's not gonna like. Let's prove it.
None of them in this store. None of them. Look how them just dull and just blah. Nothing to it.
What man for queen size?
Or over too much pattern or just too much or just plain. Not never pop.
Sit down, Malia. Sit down. I'll stop giving you trouble. Alright.
Yes, we got it that. Don't go over enough.
Where this don't tell me what size it is.
Double. It's a double.
Oh, double right there. Let's see. Oh, for queen. Oh, here's a queen. The one on white. It's not bad.
Hey, ma'am. Any sheet you choose, me go with.
So where is this?
Besides, me just
Mama, you can't see my face, you don't like it.
no, because I don't like no sheet here.
What's wrong with this?
Nothing is wrong with it.
Okay.
We're just gonna go with it. That look like Christmas, bro. It's like brown Christmas, like brown. Those have that Christmas.
Okay, let's take a solid blue one. No, this is double. And what about this one?
Okay, go with that then.
Yeah, let's go with this one.
Yes, baby.
She's pretending like she like it. Thank
I
you.
don't like it. Take out the other sheet that is in the card, please.
This one?
Yes.
Let's go and get pillows. That's the thing, guys. Like, these pillows are too soft. I want the rock stone pillows. Not the one that they're sleeping on feather. The one that they're sleeping on stone. That's the one that I like.
You're not gonna get it, so pick one. Pick sheet.
Fearless lives. Fearless.
This is alright compared to others.
Yeah, $8 for this.
It's alright.
It's not that bad. When you have to fold it out.
Stand up and pose with the pillow. Squeeze it up or something. Alright, go on.
Yes, guys, so we ended up shopping in Giant Tiger. Everything came to roughly $168, which wasn't that bad. It was very good, actually. Now, I wanted to just talk to you guys a little bit about what we're planning for, right? Now, what I'm planning for is actually my brother is coming to Canada for the first time, and they will be staying with us. My brother and his family will be staying with us while we get a couple things sorted out. It's an amazing feeling, guys. Now, if you guys been following my channel for a while, you guys probably haven't heard me talk much about my family in terms of my family structure and stuff like that, but most of my family is still in Jamaica, some scattered all over the world, to be honest. I wouldn't say I have a very close-knit family, but my siblings and I were pretty tight. So my brother and I were pretty much grew up together, and you know, from an early age, from a tender age, we all, the only one we had to rely on was each other, right? So to be in a situation now where I've been in Canada now, becoming a permanent resident of Canada, and I'm able to support my brother and his family, is an amazing feeling. Now, a lot of this would not be possible without the support of my brother. Like, there are so many sacrifices that he had made that made this journey possible as well. So to be able to now be in a situation where I'm expecting my brother to be here, it's an amazing feeling, to be honest. And it's just a good feeling. Now, a lot of times I always say that sometimes all it takes is for one person, just one person, to make it through the gate. and leave the gate open behind you so that you can bring some other family members and make things possible for them as well, right? Because sometimes it takes one person to be the bridge, and that bridge can change the overall dynamics of your family structure, can change and break whatever family curse has been like over your family for like extended period of time. So persons who have made it to Canada, please don't forget your family back home. Please don't forget persons who have contributed to your journey in terms of sacrifices, whatever the case may be. Don't come to Canada and pretend like you have made it and forget persons who are back home. And I'm really happy that we have the opportunity now to help, right? It's just an amazing feeling that I can't put into words. Within another couple of days, you guys will be meeting my brother for the first time here in Canada. This is his first time taking a plane. This is my older brother, by the way. This is his first time taking a plane. Never left Jamaica. Never ever left Jamaica. Doesn't know what to exist. And if you guys think I am humble, you want to meet my brother. My brother is like such a humble person. Like nothing bothers him, and like he's way more humble than I am. So to be able to like give him that opportunity now to like visit a new country, integrate into a new country, hopefully, you know, just all of the stuff that we hope and prayed for as a kid. As a child growing up, I didn't even thought this would have been possible for me to become a permanent resident of Canada. Guys, like listen, like this all started with a dream. Like I didn't see how this would be possible. Like I always see persons migrating and I'm like, yo, things work out for them. Like, but I didn't see that for myself. I didn't see the avenue. I just didn't see how that would have worked out for me as an individual. And the process seems so overwhelming and difficult and tough. And you know, it just feels like the amount of money that is required and the amount of work to put in, it wouldn't have been possible. But nonetheless, we made a decision and we stuck to it, and we kept going through and step by step, and we're here right now. And it's just an amazing feeling, guys. It's just an amazing feeling. The sacrifice that he had to make, and like extending himself in ways that not many persons would extend themselves. So it's just an emotional feeling. Yeah, I'm not gonna cry on the video, you guys know that. But it's an emotional feeling, and it's just a thing that you can't put into words, right? And even for Nats to be able to like invite my family into our space, that's also a good thing, because we've been in situations unfavorable before where we you know, we have extended ourselves and things didn't work out. So for Nats to like be willing and open and happy and genuinely happy to, you know, welcome my family into our space again and stuff like that, it shows that I married the right person, right? So in a nutshell, guys, that's what we're preparing for. That's what's coming. You guys will meet my brother very soon. Drop in the comment section. Congrats, by the way. Show some love. I really appreciate it, right? Definitely. So yeah, that's how it is. That's what's going on right now in our life. Quick update for you guys. Don't forget to smash this what am I saying? Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, guys, and drop a comment. See you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.